Welcome to this unboxing video for the Haozee presence sensor, which uses the Zigbee 3.0 protocol. I received this sensor through the Amazon Vine program, and I'll go through adding it to Home Assistant using the Zigbee to MQTT add-on. It's powered by a USB, 5 volts, and in the box comes a short lead, and it can be wall mounted. The device itself includes a lux meter to report your light levels, and it can detect people up to 9 meters away. My plan is to use this to automate my office light.
So here we have a motion or presence sensor from Haozee. It's a Zigbee one based on the Zigbee 3 protocol. Let's have a look at inside the box. First of all, you have the seal that needs breaking. Look at the box. Starts with the presence sensor itself, quite small and quite thin. We then have a cardboard piece, and inside we have micro USB cable, which I thought this was a USB-C. If we open this, yep, we have micro USB cable. We have sticky pads for sticking it to a wall or ceiling. The instructions. So you can see this is the sidewall version. The instructions are all Chinese on one side, English on the other. We have some kind of quality control card, and that's it. That's everything in the box. Next, we'll go on to adding this to Home Assistant.
This is the Haozee presence sensor, which we are now going to add to Home Assistant using Zigbee to MQTT. So we start by going to the panel on the left. We permit join all and plug in the device using the USB lead that was in the box. And hopefully it should appear. You can see on the left all the device joined, and let's see if we can see where this device is. This device is here. It's come up with its access code, so we can rename it. We've got a nice picture of the device there. That's quite accurate, apart from the logo's the wrong way around. It's been reported as the breathe sensor. It's exposing the light levels, whether there's presence, how close the target is. You can adjust the sensitivity and the range. All in all, it looks quite useful, and it works straight away without requiring anything additional for Zigbee to MQTT to detect it. So I will go through, give it a name, office presence. So let's have it update the Home Assistant entity ID, rename, and there we go. We can now start to use it within our automations. The last part of this video is going through the automation. So we can see we have two triggers, one defined for when presence is detected and one defined for when presence is no longer detected. From there we go down. When the trigger is presence detected, we turn the office light on, and when it's no longer detected, we turn the office light off. I will go through and add a condition for the office light being turned on based on the light levels that is detected, but until I've got an idea of the light levels being received by the sensor and the light, whether it needs to be on, I can't tweak that just yet. And there we have the simple Haozee presence detector. It'll be interesting to see how this gets on and how accurate it is going forward. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.